Today, we're exploring 11 common interior design mistakes that can significantly impact your home's aesthetic. We'll not only offer crucial tips to avoid these pitfalls but also provide clear examples and solutions. Stick around until the end as we'll conclude with a burst of creative ideas and inspiration for your next design project. Let's ditch the design faux pas and create homes we truly love. But before we begin, a warm welcome back to sweet Magnoliaa. And if you're new here, do subscribe for more such enchanting design explorations. Mistake number 1: furniture fails. Ever feel like your furniture is in a wrestling match? Blocking walkways, ignoring traffic flow, or simply having pieces that overwhelm the space throws off the whole vibe. Solution: think about how you move through the room. Arrange furniture to create conversation areas and clear walkways. Measure your space before buying furniture. And don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts. Mistake number 2: matching furniture mistake. Matching furniture sets can make your home look uniform and lack character. Solutions: curate a personalized look. Mix and match furniture pieces from different styles and eras to create a unique and eclectic aesthetic. Play with textures and patterns to add visual interest. Focus on functionality. Choose furniture pieces that not only complement each other visually but also suit your lifestyle needs. Consider reupholstering existing furniture to give it a fresh look without replacing the whole set. Mistake number 3: skimping on quality. Cheap, low-quality furniture might seem like a bargain initially, but it can cost more in the long run due to replacements and repairs. Solutions: invest in quality pieces. Choose well-made furniture pieces from durable materials. This ensures they will last longer and maintain their value. Look for solid wood construction, high-quality fabrics, and sturdy joinery for lasting furniture. Consider long-term value. While the initial cost might be higher, quality furniture offers better value for money over time. You can also look for pre-owned, high-quality furniture pieces as a budget-friendly option. Mistake number 4: neglecting entryways. The entryway is the first impression your home makes. Don't overlook its importance. Solutions: create a welcoming atmosphere. Add a stylish rug to define the space and provide warmth underfoot. Place a console table with a lamp for functionality and a decorative touch. Include a mirror to visually expand the space and check your appearance before heading out. Enhance the space with artwork or decorative objects that reflect your personality. Prioritize functionality. Include a coat rack or hooks for hanging coats, bags, and scarves. Add a shoe rack or cubbies to keep footwear organized and avoid clutter. Mistake number 5: hanging curtains incorrectly. Improper curtain placement can make windows appear smaller and hinder natural light. Solutions. Maximize window appearance. Hang your curtains high above the window frame, closer to the ceiling. Extend the curtain rod beyond the window frame on each side to create the illusion of larger windows. Light and airy feel. Choose floor-length curtains for a more dramatic effect and a sense of spaciousness. Opt for lighter fabrics and light-colored curtains to create a more airy and inviting ambience. Mistake number 6. Overdoing open shelves. While open shelving can be stylish, overloading them creates visual clutter. Solutions. Curate with purpose. Edit the items displayed on your open shelves. Less is often more. Arrange items thoughtfully, considering color, size, and functionality. Group similar items together for a cohesive look. Embrace decorative accents. Include decorative objects like sculptures, vases, or framed artwork to add visual interest. Incorporate greenery with houseplants for a touch of nature and vibrancy. Mistake number 7. Area rug rumble. Area rugs are amazing for defining space and adding warmth, but using the wrong size or placement can throw off the entire look. Solution. The rug should anchor your furniture grouping. Opt for a rug large enough to have the front legs of all furniture pieces resting on it, or at least partially. This creates a visually cohesive space. Mistake number 8. Color chaos. Jumping on every trendy color bandwagon can leave your home feeling like a paint explosion. Color can be powerful, so choose wisely. Solution. Consider the psychology of color and how different shades make you feel. Think about your overall design style and create a cohesive color palette that you love. Mistake number 9. Storage struggles. Clutter is the enemy of a stylish home. Not having enough storage solutions leads to chaos and wasted space. Solution. Utilize hidden storage solutions like ottomans with built-in compartments, stylish baskets for throw pillows or blankets, and wall-mounted shelves to maximize vertical space. Decluttering regularly is key too. Mistake number 10. Forgetting the finishing touches. A room can feel incomplete without the final details. Bare walls, empty corners, and neglected surfaces lack personality. Solution: elevate your space with artwork, throw pillows, blankets, and greenery. Don't underestimate the power of decorative accents. They add personality and tie the whole room together. Bonus tip: ignoring personal style. While avoiding common mistakes is helpful, your home should ultimately reflect your unique style and personality. Don't be afraid to break the rules and incorporate elements you love, even if they don't perfectly follow traditional design principles. Remember, these are just guidelines. Don't be afraid to experiment and personalize your space to reflect your unique style. Let us know in the comments below which decorating mistake you've struggled with the most. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.